Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the golden flicker effect to your CapCut clips. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click on the clip you want to add the effect to, drag it down to the timeline and release. Now once you have it in the timeline, we're going to go up to the left corner, click on Effects, go down to Trending, and then scroll down for the golden flicker effect. Click on it, drag it down to the top of your clip, and now we can actually elongate it as like this, and we can move it anywhere we want in the timeline as well. So once you have that done, you can go up to the special effects tab to the right corner, and then we can increase the color, horizontal, glow, speed, and vertical. Let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.